to my channel before we start, Annie got me ignore the rash on my chest. She's not happy that I kicked her out of my filming chair so that I could film. And let's also acknowledge my hair. Just ignore this. This is what happens when I wash it and then go to bed. So this is what we're dealing with today. Let's jump into the video. If you saw last week's video, you would have seen that I picked up some spice jars from Blissful Little Home. Today, we're going to set those up. So let's jump into it. So what I picked up is their bamboo glass spice jar starter pack or something like that. I'll put a picture on the screen here of what you get from the website. So you get 14? Yeah, you get 14 jars. You get 10 of these little ones, which are 100 mils, and then you get 4 of these big ones, which are 250. So that's the size difference there. Obviously this one's, well, like 1.5 size times, oh my god, words. This one's bigger, this one's smaller. And then you also get a bamboo shelf or rack, as they call it, just so you can put everything on. So obviously they sit on there like things sit on a shelf. So I bought this on a Thursday about 2 weeks ago and it came so quickly. I think it was here on the Saturday, maybe? Or maybe it was the Monday morning, I don't know. But it felt like it was here like immediately, which is so fantastic at the moment given how behind everything else has been that I've ordered. These guys are a local Melbourne company, which is really cool. Obviously that's why it came so quickly, because it just had to come from one suburb to another. But yeah, it's always nice to support local, and especially at the moment. So when I can, I like to shop Melbourne companies or just Australia wide. Anyways, let's sort out this disaster of a herb shelf, because it's just it's really annoying and I always forget what we have and I never end up using anything because I don't know what we have up there. So let's fix that. I'm very awkwardly crouching right now, but I think I'm going to use my little funnel to put everything into the jars because I don't really want everything all over my bench. And I'm also going to label them with the labeler that I got last week, which has the brand pre-printed. So that is what the labels will be. Obviously they're not going to say Dymo. Alright, let's go. One. Okay, let's set it up. Okay, you cannot tell me that that was not a huge improvement on this tiny little section of our house. I am so pleased with this little shelf now. As you guys know, I am all about doing little like changes and making things work a bit better in this house before we renovate, just to make it more livable in general and more aesthetically pleasing. Because the kitchen, I've said this many times now, but the kitchen is just butt ugly. It's not nice. I know this was a short one, but I hope you guys enjoyed anyways. Hit that subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more from me in the future, and leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys like to do up all your spices and things like that, or if you prefer leaving them in their original packaging. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! It's all done. Bye! Oh, good boy. Oh my god, you're so big! Hi baby! Oh. Oh my god, Kai. Just... oh, buddy.